So this is just the recap for day 40, day 30, live stream 39. I believe it is day 43. I believe there is a 4 stream difference between the live streams and the video recaps. So it's actually day 45. Interesting. So day 45 we came in, and what we did was with day 45 we looked at over the holiday period, we looked at some of the strategy we're using into last week, even the day that we finished with a small red day. We looked at it, and we looked at it across different market conditions, and we realized that there would have been some issues in different market conditions, so we decided to change that strategy a little bit. So we changed it from X cross to X3, and came into today and decided to trade it. Now came in, the market was came in, had a blast off the open, a fairly strong move off the open, and if we look at the 5-minute chart, this was the open over here. It's saying 35, but that's just not correct. I've had a strong move off the open. First trade I took, I believe, was a loser. I'll get my trade performance up. So as we can see, straight off the gates, the first trade was a loser. Didn't realize how strong the market would be here, but I came in, first trade was a loser, stayed patient, the second entry, and that was also a loser. So we're digging ourselves a bit of a hole here. I realized there was a difference between charting packages, between this charting package and my other charting package. Came in again, we finally started to get some winners under our belt. Did suffer some losers. Let's just have a look here. Did have a winner, loser, drawing us down again. Eventually went on a series of wins and grew the account back to where we're ending it here today. So at lows we were just there, and our highs where we're ending it today, that's where we are. So came through this area, got a few more setups, decided to stick to the plan, took a couple of secondary signals that happened to work in our favor. We had a long here which didn't work, we were stopped out. Long worked, short, that worked. So we just went through a run of winners and losers. We've had this 561 level to profit there, long here, that's happened to work out. So we went through a run just following the signals, sort of about entering short here, especially for a move down to 500 as the moving averages were acting as resistance. This being so thought about it but did not. Eventually came in, saw this long setup, took the long setup, was a bit concerned about 500, trailed aggressively, target was hit. Over here went I think this, we stopped out here, so we went long, and we stopped out. Did I close the position there? Went long. I trailed aggressively because I was concerned about the 77, a very important support resistance level. Trailed aggressively and was stopped out. Went long again, and target was hit. I dragged the target down a little bit. I was concerned about this previous high where selling could come in, so dragged the target down a little bit. The original target would have been hit if I kept the trade, but dragged the target down a little bit. Also trailed my stop to pretty much straddled price a little bit, and that target was hit. So that was pretty much it. And because it's 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a period historically where I've performed very poorly, I've decided to call it a day. If we have a look at the 1 minute chart here of the open, I'm just going to make sure on my other charting package that I do have that time correct. Just have a look here. Can I find a 1 minute chart? What was that? Was a 1 minute chart? Yes, this was. Let's have a look. So on a 1 minute chart, let's see. Okay. The first candle was the bearish candle. Okay, interesting. So on a 1 minute chart, this first candle was this bearish candle, threatening to head lower, but from there, saw this blast off to the upside. This consolidation. Oh, I should mention that there was a trade over here that I did take that happened to work, and there was some news coming out that I did not look at the calendar, which is poor on my part. Some PMI news. So I took this short here. No, it's not that trade. It's this one, because PMI news came out at 10 a.m. Took this trade here. Originally wanted to take it on this candle up here, but took it here. Based on the secondary charting package, the news came out and it hit target pretty quickly before the volatility came in, and that was the PMI news. So we'll have a look over the statistics here. Don't make the video any longer than it needs to be. So we'll just make this bigger. So as we said, we went into drawdown before battling our way back. If we have a look at the per 30 minutes, so we've got 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, 10 a.m. and 10:30. So had some difficulties around the opening 30 minutes. Managed to recover it back. If we go to the summary page, total gains, total losses, that's our commission. Our profit factor was a lot better than I thought it would. I thought it'd be not as good as that, but 1.7, which isn't too bad. What really worked in our favor was our accuracy, 75% in terms of accuracy. That's what really worked in our favor. Average win, almost half the size of the average loss. So the only way that was mitigated was through the higher accuracy. So that's a bit concerning. So poorer accuracy would mean not favorable outcome. Largest win, largest loss. Again, largest win, just slightly above 50% of largest loss, and again these things did not work out. Max consecutive winners 8. Now this worked out today because of the high accuracy, so do have to be aware of that. Despite having a positive outcome today, the extraordinary in terms of accuracy is what's accounted for this. Accounted for us being profitable, because the average winners, the average losers was fairly big, and average loss, largest loss and average loss were fairly big, so do have to just be aware of that. So it's not the green shoots of recovery as of yet. There is still some work to do. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up this video. So I think yeah, that just sums it all up. So thanks for watching.